In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple components with variants together in Figma. By the end, you will know how to gather related components into a single organized component set. So you can quickly switch between states like type, color, or size from one place. Start by opening your design in Figma and navigating to the area where your components live. Make sure you are looking at the main components themselves, not just instances placed on a canvas. Main components have a solid diamond icon and they're the ones that can be combined. This matters because only main components can form a component set. Instances won't work for this action. Next, select all the components you want to combine. You can drag a selection box around them or hold Shift and click to add to your selection. It's a good idea to include only components that represent variations of the same idea, like different button states or sizes. Keeping your selection focused helps ensure your resulting set is tidy and meaningful. With everything selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the Combine as Variants button. When you do this, Figma immediately creates a component set, grouping your selections together and exposing a variants panel. This is where the organization starts to shine. Figma automatically generates a property for the new set, and you will see it appear in the right-hand panel. You can rename this property to something clear and descriptive, like type or state depending on what best represents the differences among your components. Keeping property names short and consistent makes them easier to scan and filter later. If you see multiple differences, you can use additional properties such as color or size to reflect the intended variations. Clear property values, like primary, secondary, hover, or disabled, will help teammates understand exactly what each option represents. Now that your components live in a single component set, you can manage them more efficiently. Select the set or any variant inside it, and use the right-hand panel to view and adjust properties. This centralized control lets you swap between options quickly during design work, and it keeps your library clean, discoverable, and scalable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.